Okay, welcome back. We are approaching 5:42 on this Sunday morning. I'm going to start off with the chart of expected snow between where we stand right now and next Saturday at 6 p.m. This is a pretty broad brushed picture of things, but what's going to happen is that the main storm track is going to be to our south. There is going to be a big winter storm, it does appear, at some point later Wednesday into early Thursday along the East Coast. That could include New York City. Certainly looks like it may include Boston, and there may be a swath of about 12 to 18 inches in here. You'll notice that there is some blue color over the Midwest and over West Michigan, but really, again, that's kind of an overmodulation of the GFS model there, meaning that it's they're representing what would appear to be some snow accumulation, and really, I think just detecting scattered flurries, a couple light snow showers, perhaps tomorrow, lake effect variety as colder air rides in. So may pick up a dusting, a light coating in spots between now and the next 6-7 days. No big systems, though. That's the way it stands right now. Things can change, you know, on these models, but I wouldn't anticipate anything big changing, certainly over the next handful of days. We'll see how it goes. Does get colder out to the west. You can notice some teens and 20s showing up. We would be down into the 20s right now if it weren't for all these low clouds that have been sticking and staying in the overnight, and they're going to be sticking and staying here through the morning and afternoon. That's a certainty. It's going to be a gray Sunday. You'll notice that the reservoir of air into Canada, it becomes colder, and a lot colder than what I was showing you just about 3 days ago, 3-4 days ago. So some of the coldest air on the other side of the pole has leaked on this side, and it's there. And when you've got it there, you can tap it if you got the right pattern. Wouldn't necessarily say we've got the right pattern over the next couple of weeks to really tug down true Arctic air, but there may be a few phases in there where we can get some cooler air amidst an overall, I think, mild pattern. It's just that it's a progressive one. You bring down a lobe of chillier air, and the flow from west to east across the weather map kicks it out pretty quickly. That's going to be the story, I think, as we go forward right on through Christmas week. Here's the planner for today, folks. 32 degrees, 33 at 8 a.m. We're really not going to be budging much with these temperatures. Certainly getting back to 35, and probably can get to 36, I would think, during these warmest hours. Warmest in quotation marks. Clouds plenty today, a flurry or two, particularly along the lakeshore this morning. Even a sprinkle could be mixed in with some marginal readings. Localized temps even in the mid to upper 30s in some of those spots along the lakeshore to begin. So cloudy skies and chilly today. Coldest air of the season so far is upcoming. Now that seems like a strong statement, but it actually is for the next several days. Highs in the upper 20s by Tuesday, but the majority of these days will be around 30 plus. And then real snow out there, don't see it as of yet. So we'll keep looking for something that could accumulate, because you know we're due. 0.4 inches, that's what we've had in Grand Rapids thus far. Pretty incredible. We'll see how long that can last. Wind chills tomorrow afternoon down into the teens. It's going to be a chilly Monday. This cold front comes through early morning, and daytime highs are going to struggle, perhaps even backing off during the afternoon. 29 I've got on Tuesday, starting to revive a little bit. 32 and 34 respectively Wednesday and Thursday, and then back to near 40, I think, by next weekend. And look at the map for week 2 of the forecast period. Those deeper reds showing you where the departures from average are greatest and look to be centered over the eastern United States. So we'll see how it goes. One disturbance down to the south. You see that go towards the mid-Atlantic seaboard. That is not the snowstorm. That heads off, and then there's another one that's in the Pacific Northwest right now, crosses the southern Rockies. And look at this one as it heads towards the Tennessee River Valley, then goes up the East Coast and just bombs out. Lots of purple colors there, and that means big snows, but not here in West Michigan. Now, the next system will affect us, but it's going to be much weaker. Later Friday into Saturday, you see a little pattern of precipitation approaching. A couple rain, maybe mixed snow showers by next Saturday. Right now, no big winter storms, just chillier weather. Overnight lows, they're going to be cold too, Brody. Lower 20s by midweek.
We are currently waiting.